Welcome back, everybody. In today's Coastal Business Spotlight, we're talking with Dr. Chris Park with the Park Clinic about buttock enhancements, and this can really change how a woman looks in a bathing suit, looks in jeans, and just really how they feel about themselves. Tell us about this procedure.
Okay, well, there's different types. Depends on what the problem is. If there's a loose skin issue, we may be doing more of a buttock lift, which is kind of like the backside of a tummy tuck, where we'll tighten up the skin and lift the buttock up. But most commonly, we're able to do it by adding enough volume to the upper portion of the buttock. You can make it look lifted and much more pretty. The two ways to add volume, typically years ago we did silicone implants, but a lot of times now what we're doing is taking fat from elsewhere, so doing liposuction, taking it from where you don't want the fat and injecting it in the buttock, and most of it will live and provide a permanent type of fullness to the upper buttock.
Sounds like a win-win, taking fat from a place that a woman doesn't want it and putting it where she does.
It is.
What type of recovery are we looking at? Does it depend upon the surgery?
Right. So like I said, there's three different types. I mean, there's a lift versus implants versus fat, and they all have a little bit different recovery, but it's from a 2 weeks to 6 weeks kind of range.
All right. And what can this also change the size? I know that it can make the buttock look better, but can it also make a woman look a little bit slimmer and kind of help her proportions?
Yeah, I mean, people that haven't read about it or thought about it are sometimes surprised when I suggest it, thinking I don't want a bigger buttock. But if you add volume to the upper portion of the buttock and make it more heart-shaped rather than kind of U-shaped, it's much prettier and makes you look thinner and have better hourglass type of curves.
Well, he's the expert. If you're interested in a buttock enhancement, visit Dr. Chris Park at the Park Clinic in Mobile and in Fairhope. Thank you so much for being here today, Dr. Park.
Thank you.